You want worldwide Sharia, is that correct?
Of course, yeah. We believe that the whole world should be governed by divine law.
Muslims that leave the religion apostate should be killed.
Well, of course, the Prophet said whoever changes his din, kill him. So this is the job of the state to implement.
And gays and lesbians should be killed. I'm just reminding my audience of your position. Gays and lesbians, the penalty for that is death, correct?
Well, you know, if they do the act publicly and there are witnesses, it does carry capital punishment, yes.
Okay. Now, let me go to you, Pam. This is a serious threat. Basically a fatwa, a death threat, has now been issued. All these incidents over a cartoon.
No. Here is the key and critical difference. Canon law pertains to Catholics. Jewish law pertains only to Jews. But the Sharia dictates every basic aspect of human life. The Sharia asserts its authority over non-Muslims, unlike Jewish law and unlike canon law, which is why under the Sharia they're slaughtering the Christians, they're slaughtering secular Muslims across Africa and across the Muslim world. The fact is, in that fatwa that was issued against me, my name is preceded by Khanzir. Now, Khanzir means pig. It's the word Muhammad used before he slaughtered beheaded hundreds of Jews. To blame me and say that my cartoons are controversial, excuse me, murdering cartoonists is controversial. And does anyone really think that these jihadis would have just been peaceful, loving Americans?
Okay, can I come back to that?
Of course they wouldn't. I submit to you that our conference
Pamela.
Nope, I'm talking, sir. I know you're used to stepping over women, but you're not going to have it here.
Go ahead.
Pamela, first of all, the word khanzir I think is too good for you in the first place, you know. At least the khanzir worships Allah. The fact is that you insulted the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and obviously you knew the consequences. Otherwise you wouldn't have had thousands of dollars worth of security.
I live in America.
When you talk about murdering,
I live in America.
When you talk about murdering innocent people,
I want to remind people about Anjum. He's been on the program before. You want worldwide Sharia, is that correct?
Of course, yeah. We believe that the whole world should be governed by divine law.
Muslims that leave the